Hello students, welcome in online classes. Myself Deepika. As you know that we have already started chapter number 4 multiplication and we have learned properties of multiplication, multiplication by 10, 100, 1000 and multiplication by multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. In our previous class, I told you to learn tables 2 to 20. I hope you all have learnt their tables. Today we are starting multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. So we have already learnt how to multiply a 3-digit number by 1-digit numbers. We will now learn to multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit number. In your previous class you all have learnt na multiply of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So now we will learn 3-digit number by 2-digit number. For multiply, we have some steps which we have to follow. The first step is arrange the number in columns. The second is multiply by the ones. It means first we have to start multiplication by ones. The third is multiply by the tens. The fourth is add the products obtained in step 2 and 3 to get the final answer. Add. It means we have to add the products which we are getting from step 2 and 3 for the final answer. So let's take one example. Multiply 134 by 12. So we will follow the steps. First we will write the places. So I am doing in front of you. So 1000, 100, tens and ones. Now we will write the number in the column. Here 134 by 12. So we always start writing from the ones. 134 we will write in this way. Now we have to multiply by 12. So 2 in 1 and 1 in tens. Now the multiplication sign. So we have arranged the numbers in column. Now we have to start multiplication by ones. So we will start with 2. 2 fours are 8. So we will write here 2 fours are 8. Now 2 threes are 6. So we will write here 6. Now 2 ones are 2. So we will write here 2. We have done by ones. Now we have to start by tens. So before start by tens, we will put here sign of multiplication, or we can put here 0 also. Both are correct, but I am putting here the sign of multiplication. Now we will start with the tens. So in tens we have 1. 1 fours are 4. 1 threes are 3. Now 1 ones are 1. Now we have to add the both. So here 8. Now 6 plus 4, 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 carry over here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Here is 1. So we will write 1. So the answer is 1608. See, 1608. In this way we have to do. Let's take more example to understand. The next is multiply 398 by 20. So I am doing in front of you. 1000, 100, tens, ones. Now we will start writing from 8 here. So 8 we will write in ones, 9 we will write in tens, 3 we will write in 100. Now we have to multiply by 20. In 20, so 0 we will write here and 2 we will write here. Here the sign of multiplication. Now we will start with the ones. In ones we have 0. So 0 multiplied by any number, the product is 0. So when we multiply 0 by 8, 0. Now 0 by 9, 0. 0 by 3, 0. Now we have to start multiplication by 10. So we will put here sign of multiplication. Now 2 8s are 16. 6 here and 1 carry over. We can't write two numbers together. So 2 8s are 16. We will write 6 here and 1 carry over here. Now 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. We will write 9 here and 1 carry over. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Sign of addition. Now we will add 0. 0 plus 6. 0 plus 9 and 7. So the answer is 7,960. See. Let's take one more example. Multiply 263 by 35. First we will write the numbers in column. Then we will start writing from ones. So here comes 3, 6, 2. Now we have to multiply by 35. So 5 here, 3 here. Sign of multiplication. We have to start with the ones. So 5, we will start with the 5. 5 3s are 15. 15, 1 and 5, 15. 5 we will write here and 1 carry over here. 5 6 are 30 plus 1, 31. 31, 1 we will write here and 3 carry over. Now 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Now we don't have any digit in 1000. So we can't carry over. That's why we will write 13 here only. Now we have to start with the tens. So we will put here sign of multiplication. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 6s are 18. We will write 8 here and 1 carry over. This is the carry over of ones. Now this is the carry over of tens. Now 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Sign of addition. 5. 1 plus 9, 10. 0 here and 1 here carry over. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 2 here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. So the answer is 9,205. One more example. We have to multiply 103 by 85. First we will write all the places, then we will write numbers in the column. 103 by 85. Start with the ones. 5 3s are 15. 5 here and 1 carry over. Now 5 multiply by 0. So as you know that if we multiply any number by 0, the product is 0. But here we have 1 carry over 1. So what we will write here? 1. Now 5 ones are 5. Now 8 multiplied by 3. So 8 threes are 24. First we will put here the sign of multiplication. Now 24. So we will write 4 here and 2 carry over. Now 8 multiplied by 0. 0. But we have to write here 2 because 2 is the carryover. So we will write 2 here. Now 8 ones are 8. Now addition 5, 5, 1, 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7 and 8 as it is. So the answer is 8755. So I hope you all understand how to multiply. That's it for today. Now the assignment time. So this is the assignment of today. Find the products of the following. So I have given you 3 questions. So do it. Okay, thank you and good day. Goodbye.